Hello, Leo, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drumroll. Wow, the Three of Pentacles. So a lot of co-creative energy coming in, a lot of collaboration, coexisting. Okay, so that type of energy. I am picking up for some of you guys this kind of energy here where, you know, you're going to have a moment where you're going to be able to kind of seize some kind of situation here that is going to collaborate in favor of you. Okay, so it's going to be some kind of unexpected change, some kind of unexpected opportunity. And for some of you guys are just enjoying the now. You guys are just kind of like enjoying this moment of individuality, of kind of like, you know, maybe you guys are working on your business. You guys are kind of focused on yourselves. This is a lot of self-love, okay? A lot of self-love. Even if you have another partner, even if you have a partner, this is kind of like you focusing your energy on detachment, detaching from anything that has been worrying you this week. Right now, this is kind of like the energy of success. The nines do represent success. And look at you. You are here standing in your power, in your strength, knowing your worth and knowing your value. Why? Because you have recently been patient. This patience is paying off. So something here in the past that happened, you know, that required patience, it's sort of like that energy where you just wanted to jump in, you wanted to say yes, but you kind of decided to take a different approach. Guess what? It's now going to pay dividends. It's paying back in your favor because you are actually making that sacrifice. You actually made that sacrifice. For some of you guys, you were patient with the process. You tempered your emotions. And now that this brand new opportunity comes in, you are going to be able to basically embrace it for what it is. And I do sense that some of you guys are coming out of feeling like you were losing yourself. Some of you guys feel like you've already gone through that state of anxiety, but during that time, guess what? You found yourself again. You found your soul. Now, I do see that there was a closing out of a chapter, okay? And somebody here is a little bit stressed because I do feel like you are kind of like just going about your daily life and this other person is stressing out over, oh my God, this is not acting the same. Are they moving on? You know, remember, this could all be in the reverse. Take it as it resonates. But somebody here is a little bit stressed because you have put something to an end, okay? Something here to an end, and this person still desires some kind of connection. So there's going to be an opportunity to reconnect with a person or a union here about to happen. This union is no mistake, okay? Now here at the bottom of the deck, I do see the Empress. Wow, coming into your powerful energy, your divinity. Like I said, if some of you guys have been working on your career, it's going to be the time for you to now plan for the future because you are stabilizing yourself a lot more, okay? So some of you guys might feel like, okay, let me ponder what it is that I want, okay? You don't want to view any kind of situation with uncertainty. You want clarity. You want clarity. And so I do sense that this kind of energy that you have embraced more of tempering your emotions, of kind of being patient with the process, you're embracing it day by day because that's not really a kind of like your nature to just kind of like, you know, be super patient. You know, you like to take action, but I do sense that you're kind of like seeing the fact that this is paying off in your favor. Now let's go ahead and see what exactly this King of Pentacles is all about, because I do see that there's somebody here wanting to reunite with you. They do have emotions for you. They want to express more of themselves to you, okay? However, this person might come across as a little bit kind of like harsh in the way that they come across because they have a lot of pent-up emotions that they have not expressed until now, okay? So whoever this person is, maybe they walked away, maybe somebody here kind of like moved away, maybe this person traveled away, whatever it is, but right now they're thinking long and hard about you. They were a little bit disappointed. Whoever this person is, maybe you were disappointed, but there was some kind of disappointing energy that you just had to drop. You're like, you know what? This is not for me. I have to drop the stress. Even if it's just kind of like that energy where it brought you a little bit, you know, kind of like sadness. You knew that you had to do this for your health. You knew that you had to do this for your own growth. And so that's why now you are seeing kind of like all of these gorgeous energies coming in for you. However, there's still somebody here who kind of of like is still a little bit stressed, like I said, and they still miss you here with this Eight of Cups. This person is trying to come to a deeper understanding of what the situation means to them. I do sense that they want to come in making some kind of a difference, but they are kind of still resisting going with the flow because they're trying to control the outcome. Whoever this person is, they do have a lot of secrets. We're going to go into the extended reading to see who this other person is and their secrets that they're holding, but I do sense that the secret that they're holding, the main one, is the deeper emotions that they hold for you. So if somebody comes across this week to you or towards you, or maybe this is you, somebody is going to get triggered. If you get triggered, if this person gets triggered, this triggering energy is going to benefit you in your favor, because this trigger is something here that this person has to heal within themselves. Okay, so it could be some kind of stress, some kind of anxiety that this person feels that is shaping their response to certain triggers. But this week it's going to actually be kind of like different, because they're going to become aware of that trigger. Okay, some kind of triggering energy is going to make a positive difference instead of a negative one. Now, we're going to be going into the extended reading, like I said, to see who this person is. There is a union or a reunion about to happen, you guys. Something here that may be closing out of a chapter, whether this is a brand new energy, a brand new person, a brand new situation, or a situation that you have been dealing with. I do sense that you are coming out of it very successfully. You are kind of like just in your own energy, doing your own thing, you know, and this person is a little bit stressed because they don't see that you are attached to this person anymore. You're not attached to the outcome anymore. You're just kind of more free. You're kind of letting things flow more day by day. Okay, but let's go ahead and ask your question. So is this a yes or no? As I shuffle, you're going to be getting a yes or no answer. So ask your question. But before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign, you guys. When you subscribe, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. Also, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and take the time to give this video a thumbs up, to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Okay, is this a yes or no? Ask your question. Drum roll. That is a definite no. The reason why it's a no this week is because somebody here is still a little bit distracted. It's kind of like this person still has a lot going on. Their attention is not focused. It's more so scattered. Okay, so whether this is you or the other person, it's a no. Whatever it is that you ask, their attention is a little bit more scattered. And this is also the energy of maybe somebody here putting kind of a barrier, you know, in the form of a lot of work, a lot to do, a lot of excuses to not have to deal with their own emotions. Okay, so a barrier meaning like a distraction on purpose. All of these distractions, okay, here with the Seven of Cups. But like I said, this might change next week. For this time, it's a no, because you do want clarity. Now, let's go ahead and roll the dice. Let's see what the dice has to say for you. Sign of Virgo and 1-1. Wow, okay, so 11. So this can also be representing the house of Aquarius, Uranian type of energy, very kind of air type of element. Okay, it could represent your social status, it could represent friendships, and it also represents focusing in this week, like I said, planning for the future, your progression. Look at how much you have progressed, okay, and plan for the future. A lot of changes, invention, maybe potential for something new, embracing some kind of energy of rebellion, because Aquarius energy is very rebellious. Okay, this is the house of Aquarius, rebellion. It rules rebellion, going against the norm, thinking outside the box, okay? Doing something different this time around. That's going to benefit you this week. And here, the sign of Virgo for you guys. Embrace that energy of Virgo, okay? So detail-oriented type of energy, okay? So focus in on the details. Make sure that everything this week is picture perfect. Don't just say yes just to say yes. I know that you are a big picture type of energy, but this week, focus on all the details. And also the Virgo energy is also hermit. Okay, if you guys feel like the energy of maybe hermiting this week, this is also the energy that you should embrace. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and get one affirmation message. I stand up for what I believe in. Very strong message here. Okay, so don't allow anything or anyone to impede what you know you stand up for. You know, if there's somebody here trying to kind of like convince you or pressure you into something, stand up for what you believe in. Repeat this affirmation to yourself this week. I stand up for what I believe in. Beautiful. This is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out ginamoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at ginamoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.